Hey, what's up, guys? I want you guys to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you in this video because I know you want to make money. So, what I'm about to show you guys in this video, I want to show you how to make between 10,000 or over 10,000 naira weekly on your phone here in Nigeria or some other parts of Africa. So, I want you guys to stick around and see this video till the end. Yeah, because if you actually watch this video to the end, you are going to see everything I will show you, the strategy I actually implement. And when you do the same, you're going to make the same exact money and even more money for yourself. We are going to cover registration, how to register on this platform with the company, how withdrawal is made, how to withdraw. All right, and I'm also going to show you guys how to scale this business, how to scale working with this company, making over 20k even per day here in Nigeria. All right, so guys, stick with me. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Barnabas Simeon, and I make money online. And what I do is that I go out there, I try something. So anything that works for me, making money, I come to this channel, I do a video, and I show you guys how to actually make money online. So if you are someone who is looking to make money online, who is looking to make money with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, subscribe to this channel. And I'd like you to watch this video to the end. Leave me a like on this channel and also drop a comment. Don't forget, also send this video, share this video with your friends, your family, anyone who wants to make money online, because in this video I'm going to show you guys how to actually make money for yourself. So guys, we're actually in this video right now, and first of all, before I continue, I want to talk to you, I want to tell you about a few things. So right now, I'd like you guys to subscribe. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, actually subscribe to this channel and watch this video to the end so you get the bonus. Also like, comment and share this video. Also use the first link in the description below. That's my own link, and I'll also leave my contacts below in the description for you guys that would like to contact me. So if you actually click on the first link in the description, this is where it's going to bring you. It's going to bring you to this page like this. It's going to say you have been invited by Barnabas Amma to join Owodaily. So let's talk about the platform. What is actually this platform? Like I said, I'm going to be explaining everything to you guys. So if you look at this here, the platform we're talking about is called Owodaily. And Owodaily is a network where people come together to complete digital jobs, push campaigns, earn cash rewards, engage on village, which is a community, and shop on the market. So it's actually a digital marketplace where you come and you make money by doing certain tasks. Also, affiliate marketers come here to get digital products to promote on their different channels. And then we also have advertisers, business workers. You come here to post jobs. All right, so that's the platform. So we're going to be looking at how to actually make money on Owodaily. And so there are actually a lot of ways to earn money on Owodaily network. The most popular methods in members use to make money here includes the network as a social media manager, as a digital online marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers, and digital workers. Now, as a digital worker, what you do is you just complete jobs and tasks and make money daily. I'm going to be showing you guys how that is done using my account. All right, then you also, as an affiliate marketer, you get to have access to all the offers, the digital products and the products here on Owodaily, and you promote those products and get commission on sales. Also, you can make money as a seller. You can actually bring your product and sell on Owodaily. So you also earn money through referral, and this is how the referral system works. You earn referral bonus of 3,000 when you refer a new member to Owodaily Plus. Yeah, or you get 1,600 when you refer a new member, and 200 when your referrals refer new active members. You're also going to be earning 3% bonus on your referrals first deposit and 3% commission when workers you refer carry out jobs successfully. What this means is that you're going to be getting a whooping 1,600 when you have a member, someone register as a member with 3,000, and you're going to have 3,000 naira when someone registers to the Plus, Owodaily Plus. and anything your members do, anyone under you does, you're going to get 3% of the workers and also 3% of the initial investment of marketers, those who want to promote their content via the platform. And you're also going to be getting 200 naira when your referrals also refer. So this is how to actually make
So
a
I
lot
quickly
of
want to
money
talk about
here
something.
on
You know,
Owodaily.
a few persons are comparing this with platform to platforms like Naira Workers. Guys, this is not Naira Workers. These guys are actually in business. They are making money. All right, they are just paying you what content creators are paying them on the platform for them to get followers, like, comment, engagement. So they are actually paying you for what they are making. Also, the money you are getting for referrals, once someone activates with the amount, they are going to pay you a portion of that. So that's how they are making money. They are actually in business.
This is my account. This account actually has a whooping 1600 naira right here. All right, yeah. So guys, you can always come here, go to jobs and click on available jobs. There are always jobs here on the platform, and you can make a lot of money just sitting down with your phone or with your device, and you're going to complete all these jobs and you're going to make a lot of money. Look at this. This is going to pay you Instagram. This is going to pay you 10 naira to just follow someone on Instagram. So this is going to pay you 350 naira, guys. This is amazing. All right, yeah, you're just going to sign up on this app right here, and you're going to earn 350 naira. This is going to pay you 200 naira. So this is how simple it is. You click on job and you're going to apply. I actually click on the Twitter job, say read the instruction carefully, and what are we to do? I just to follow a Twitter account, and we're going to earn 10 naira. All right, yeah, 10 naira right there. I want to quickly talk about registration and withdrawals. I told you if you click the link in the description, it's going to bring you to this particular page where you're going to click on become a member, and you register to become a member on the platform. Then I'm also going to leave my WhatsApp.
So guys, withdrawals on this platform is actually done
to me
on Fridays, and the minimum withdrawal, the threshold is just 5,000 naira. Once you accumulate up to 5,000, you can withdraw to your local bank and the money is credited to you, yeah, without stress.
So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. All right, so I want you guys to jump on this. So think about it. If you actually start making money from this platform today, all right, if you register today and you activate your account, you can make a whooping so much money from this platform. Okay, if you invite someone, you're going to be getting 3,000 and 1,600 depending on the platform, the person, the plan the person is going to register on this platform with. So just pause. So guys, all right, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Now I like you guys to jump on this. Just think about it. If you start today, if you register your account, you're going to be making so much money. All right, and just think about it. If you have people register under you, you're going to be making money, recurring income. As long as they keep working and any money, you're going to be making 3% of whatever they make. Okay, so if you actually want to know how to promote your link, how to get more visitors to your link, you can contact me below, and I'm going to show you guys how to get traffic to your link, and you're going to promote your link and make so much money. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, all right, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you're going to be among the first to watch this video, and you're going to implement the strategy and make money for yourself. So with that said, guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. For now, peace.